Hey, this is Riley, Fit to Fight, and this is your Fit to Fight Fix. Alright, so let's look at a slide by from 50-50 necktie. So the more traditional one that you see a lot is going underneath her tricep here and going to your own bicep. I'm gonna change my level, I'm gonna ease a little bit, and I'm gonna throw her arm over this way. Like to take it back. Another one that's a little less common is going all the way over, grabbing underneath the tricep, still changing your level, still throwing it up. This time you're lifting here. Now once I get to the back, whether it's off, under, or over, I'm gonna look to go ahead and get double unders here. Take both my hands to her shoulders, lift up. So all the way through. That's just a slide by into Blunder Snatch. Blunder Snatch. Go do it.